Hello guys, today I'll show you something. This is a fan motor. As you can see, it doesn't work. So I remove the fan and break it down, and I found the brush was finished, but now we already replace it. As you can see, this is a brush. It helped to create the magnetic field like that. The fan can turn around. This brush touch this part, as we can see, is a bit dark. So when you change the brush, some people was able to change this. You have the spring inside, but sometimes it's hard to put the spring and then put inside the rotor. So you need to attach it. As you can see, I'm attached like that. This branch can get out. It will be more easily for me to put this inside. Like that I can do this because I need my two hands, but I just want to show you how it's work. And after that I'll make a video to help you to diagnose a bad engine fan. So see you later.